Take out the machine and all its fittings. Install holders. The machine is equipped with 2 backup fuses, which can replace a broken fuse. If the machine's fuse is damaged, leave the place and install it slowly with a screwdriver, remove it and replace it with the spare. Filter installation. There are 4 sealed small rubber rims inside the filter's pins. If you unscrew the filter, you can find 2 large rubber rims inside the body joint. If not damaged, you can replace them with backup ones. Attention! You must insert the filter in the right direction. Avoid inserting it incorrectly or improperly. If you don't insert it fully, it may cause zero vacuum or air leakage. When unscrewing the air inlet, you can find the white rubber ring inside the joint. If the rubber ring is damaged or not mounted, it may cause zero suction. Therefore, you have to check and replace it regularly. Filter cotton can be seen inside when you unscrew the air inlet. Replace it weekly with large cotton. Mount EMS pads. Mount the pads connecting wires A to I. Mount breast pads. Mount breast pads connecting wires J to K. Install straight large Y-shaped and small Y-shaped rubber hose and change it per the needs. The straight one is used with the metal grease cup. The large Y-shaped one is operated with the vacuum cup, and the small Y-shaped one is used with the vacuum cup for breast enlargement. Put the pads back to the holders in order. Install the power cord. Click Select and select EMS. Parameter setting. Operating time range is 0 to 60 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes is suggested. Energy level range is 1 to 9, 2 to 7 is advised. Fasten a strap onto a treated part. Do not make it too loose or tight. Apply proper amount of gel evenly to EMS pads. Insert the pads into the strap and tighten up. Use 1 to 3 pairs of pads per the size of a client's treated part. Press start. Press pause. Take out the pads, untie the strap, and clean the treated part. Click Funk and select Vacuum. Test whether the machine has suction. Select M1. Rotate the knob for suction setting to the rightmost and place your fingers on the air inlet. If your finger is sucked, then it's working. There are 3 metal grease cups. The big size is used on the body. The middle size is for arms and legs. The small size is used on a small area like the face, neck, etc. Replace filter cotton for the metal grease cup. Unscrew the handpiece, put the cotton in, and tighten up the handpiece. Metal grease cup. Connect one end of the straight rubber hose to the air inlet in the back of the machine, and the other end to the jack of the metal grease cup. Parameter setting. Suggested operating time is 15 to 20 minutes. Mode selection for vacuum. M1. Constant suction, which serves those with heavy dampness or clogged channels and collaterals, or who want to raise transitory fatigue and ecchymosis and detox. M2. Long interval between suction and release, which shows those who want to slightly raise transitory fatigue and ecchymosis and detox with massage. M3. Shorter interval between suction and release, which shows those who want to slightly raise transitory fatigue and ecchymosis and detox with massage. M4. Shorter interval between suction and release, which fits those who want to detox with massage and speed up circulation. M5. The shortest interval between suction and release, which shows those who want to relax with massage. Select the mode per personal need. M2 is advised for a first-time user. Suction can be set per individual tolerance. Rotate to the left to decrease suction, to the right to increase it. Do not set the suction too strong when you use it for the first time. Apply massage cream or essential oil even into a treated part. Press start. Press pause. Vacuum cup. Insert the Y-shaped ends of the large Y-shaped rubber hose into 2 vacuum cups and the other end into the air inlet of the equipment. 9 pairs of vacuum cups, 3 pairs for the body, 3 pairs for the face, 2 pairs for cleansing, and 1 pair for private care. Choose the cups per skin condition and the size of treated part. Parameter setting. Advised operating time is 15 to 20 minutes. Select the mode per personal need. M2 is advised for a first-time user. Adjust the suction per individual tolerance. Do not set it too strong for first-time use. Press start. You should apply essential oil to a treated part evenly before treatment. 2 vacuum cups should have full contact with the skin simultaneously during an operation. Otherwise, they can attach to the skin. If you use only 1 vacuum cup, you need to tie up one of the Y-shaped ends to avoid air leakage. Press pause. Fix cupping with vacuum cups. Parameter setting. Advised operating time 5 to 10 minutes. Mode selection for vacuum. M1. Suction can be adjusted per individual tolerance. 2 vacuum cups should have full contact with the skin simultaneously, otherwise they can attach to the skin. Press start. Press pause.